And this is Severe Weather Week. We're supposed to talk about severe weather. Right now, the severe weather is snow, which is severely depressing. But us science teachers are going to throw you a little bit of facts that'll help you out for the rest of severe weather season.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Severe Weather Week. We're in school, so we still get to do severe weather drills. Yay! We don't get to climb in the tunnel at St. John's, but, she's mad. So, if the tornado drills, I'm gonna put her down because she might scratch me. If the tornado drills, if the sirens go, and it's not Wednesday at 1 p.m., you should go to a safe place in your home. I have a creepy closet in the basement. Creepy closet. And hunker down. Make sure that you have perhaps flashlights would be great. Or like if you have candles, that's fine. Open flame's not necessarily the best, but candles. Make sure you have matches if you have candles. And perhaps water so you can chillax. Bring your loved ones, like your cats, even if they hiss at you.
Winters can be pretty brutal in Minnesota. The combination of cold and wind can be downright deadly, causing frostbite or hypothermia. Here's a couple of hints for you. Stay dry. Wet clothes results in much faster heat loss from your body. Stay covered. Wear mittens or gloves and a hat at all times. Dress in layers. Trapped air between loose-fitting clothing helps to insulate. Wind chills in the negative teens can cause frostbite in 30 minutes or less. When the wind chill drops to negative 30, it can happen in 10 minutes or less. And when it drops to negative 50, it can happen in 5 minutes or less. Stay warm out there.
Whoa, did you hear that? Did you know that if you hear thunder or see lightning that you're at danger, even if you're not in the middle of the storm? Often lightning strikes happen at the edges of storms. So if you think you're possibly in danger, don't go to high places like the tops of hills, and stay away from trees where lightning can jump out of a tree and into you on its way to the ground. Instead, seek the shelter of inside of a car where you're surrounded by metal, or better yet, inside of a house where you're safe from the storm and the lightning.
Line of severe weather moved across parts of central Minnesota.
There's a severe weather warning. Damaging winds, straight line winds, hail, and tornado warnings. I better get out of the car and get in my shelter. Otherwise, this little car is gonna end up like that in the tree. This little car can get picked up off the road, and many cars are this size. It would just throw you off the road. You can't see what's going on. You can't see with the hail, and you would probably not live. There's good scientific data that the National Weather Service produces when there's severe weather warnings. So there's straight line winds, hail, lightning, floods, damaging winds, tornado warnings. So then I need to get off the road, driving my car into shelter in the nearest building or your home. I need to go downstairs in the basement if you have a basement. You need to go in the stairwell, away from windows. Things could fall from the upper levels down into the basement, so the safest place you could be is in a stairwell or by surrounding foundation brick walls if you don't have a stairwell. You need to take things with you that you want. You need a flashlight in case the lights go out, a phone. You can also have the radio on your phone, or you can have this nice good old-fashioned boom box with the good old-fashioned radio on it. But if your electricity goes out, you need to have batteries. But don't run around the house wasting time. Just get everything that's easiest access. And don't forget your four-legged little friends, because they're part of the family too. And you might want a nice soft blanket and a pillow if it's easy to grab.
We seem to have come to some water across the road. Well, should we just drive across it? Of course not. In a flood, you should never drive your vehicle or your bike or walk because you can't tell how deep the water is or how fast it will move. Well, then what are we supposed to do? We should just go around or go back home and stay safe. Oh, okay.
Gee whiz, Mr. E, I sure can't wait for track practice today.
Well, I'm sorry, Timmy. We've had to cancel practice for today.
Cancel practice? But why, Mr. E?
I'm sorry, Timmy. It's just too hot outside. You see, the Minnesota State High School League sets guidelines, and coaches are required, if it's too hot or too humid outside, to move into an air-conditioned facility or to cancel practice entirely. They're just looking out for our safety because heat injuries can be serious and even life-threatening.
Aw, shucks.
You see, Timmy, with this graph, if the temperature and humidity combination falls to the right of the red line, it's just too hot to practice outside, and we're forced to either cancel or move into an air-conditioned facility.
Thank you for watching our video today, Prep School. Remember, in severe weather situations, just keep your head, think about basic safety procedures, and be a role model to others.
And stay safe. Severe weather, no joke. Have a good day.